You guys need to understand that we are in a massive reverse head and shoulders pattern. And to see moves up and moves back down like this to kind of create a little manipulation, it's not uncommon at all. So to see a move back up here in a break and retest on the descending resistance, which is now descending support, you can see this better on the 4-hour time frame. This is not uncommon, guys. Not uncommon at all. So seeing a bounce from here, I would not doubt if we could actually see a decent push back into the market. We're currently at 66% chance of a pump. We have well money flow heading low, and I want to unpack just a couple other things today with you guys as we move into hump day tomorrow of where I think we're going to be heading. So let's go over to the website. We're going to look at actually the metrics. I just came out with a future forecast this morning talking about the 2 styles of trading that will make you guys the most money. But be honest, guys, like some of you guys are putting your family, your kids, yourself at risk because you're treating trading like a drug. And I just want to get really vulnerable with you guys and just be honest with you, have you look yourself in the mirror, but really more than that, help you choose the right style of trading to make you the most profitable. So it's more of a family talk today, and I think you guys will get a lot out of that. Okay, let's go to the Bitcoin metrics this morning. We're going to start with the emotional index. I have not looked at this today yet, so I'm looking at this with you guys for the first time, and so it's kind of like we get to hang out here together. Okay, anxiety is creeping back into the market, and we're not there yet, but we're getting close. If we see any breakdown below structure support right here, we're going to push down into anxiety, and people are going to start feeling the nervous feeling again because we're going to break down below the descending support. So as far as emotions go, people are pretty neutral right now, but the moment this ticks back down into anxiousness or God forbid we go back to fearful again, just please guys be watching these live metrics. When we get down to fearful, this has been incredible times to get money back. Like literally just watch the chart when it gets to the fearful section, and it will probably be the next best dollar cost average entry. Now let's take a look here at the Bitcoin Well Smart Money this morning, which I think we're going to be pretty stable here. Yeah, nothing's happening. Guys, what's happening right now in the market is the wells are not coming in and putting their positions. When we saw this amount of long sentiment in the market, this is when we put our last $10,000 into the market. But right now, this may not be a bad time just to sit on your hands, because if we do start moving down and you watch this chart for wells to start buying and long sentiment goes up anywhere between 800 and 1,000, this is a strong, strong sign that we are going to see the bottom be bought up and we're going to move straight back up to the top. Now, let's take a look at this. This is what's called the dollar cost average entries and exits. So if you guys are like, I need a strategy where I can just look for good dollar cost average entries, check the chart 5 minutes a day and be done, watch this chart with the Well Smart Money. When you guys get green bars, again, not to sound super redundant here, but we put $10,000 on this drop. When we got this green bar, we got into the market. If you see a green bar again, guys, this cannot get any simpler. These have been the best entries in the entire market. The way we coded this metric here, if you were to just DCA, so DCA, dollar cost average entry on 1, 2, and 3, not knowing exactly where the bottom is at, these are literally the best dollar cost average entries. And if we happen to get one again on our, on our 4th down here, just watch this and you guys will do really, I'm watching this myself. I'll put another $5,000 to $10,000 in if we get a green bar. I'll do it with you guys. So definitely be watching that. This is an important chart to be paying attention to, the Bitcoin support resistance levels. Look at this, guys. It's going to populate down here. And we do have support at 59,573. And we have kind of come down here, but we haven't touched it yet. So here's the good news about people who want the market to go up. There's a lot of support, which is quote unquote resistance in the way for the price to move back down. At 60,771, at 59,573, and 56,500. This is all going to act as a wall. Because you guys got to understand, where support levels are, buy limits can be found. Because people are looking to trade double bottoms, they're looking to trade structure support. So I personally think that it's going to be a little bit harder to push it way, way down, down to like 55,000 again. I think we have more upside potential. Let's get back to the charts now. Here is something very good. Well, not only do we have the reverse head and shoulders pattern, but look at this. The moment we actually break this high, whenever we break that high, and we're going to look at liquidity heat maps in a moment here, we actually completely come out of the downtrend and we push into an uptrend. And this is why I put another $10,000 into the market yesterday, guys. Our account is up about $300,000. Let me show this to you guys real quick. I don't do this a lot. I'm taking more of a slow approach today on this video, if that's okay. Our principal amount invested is $490,000 and we're close to $790,000. So we're like $290,000 in profit on our account. My plan here is, the reason why we put another $10,000 in is because I saw the reverse head and shoulders pattern. I saw that we're using this descending line here as support. I can see that we have trades in favor moving to the upside. I can see that whales are pushing money back into the market here. There's a lot of signs to me that say we could be heading up. Also, now taking a look at the liquidity heat map, we completely got rejected up here at $63,000 and $64,000. So two things this tells me. We have a massive amount of sell, like a sell wall up here to protect people's short trades on leverage. So what I think is happening is we actually have some institutional buyers who have their shorts placed around this area at these triple and quadruple tops, and they have sell walls to actually protect their investment, and they're making money on the drop back down. Looking at the heat map here, I'm not going to be biased or emotional. Guys, there is a high probability now with this new data, because of the sell wall was so strong, that we actually come back down here and we take out liquidity down to 59,500. Once this is taken up, it gets incredibly sparse to the downside, and we could be seeing a race straight back up to take out liquidity at 64,000. Guys, it is going to ping pong back and forth between this for the rest of the week. It's just going to be taking out liquidity to the upside and downside. Overall, guys, the indicators are looking bullish. You guys can grab those in the description. Real quick, this is what, instead of indicators today, you guys know where to find that. I want to show this to you guys. When you guys come over to the actual membership, it's $65 a month. I'm logged in, but click subscribe. There's in the description, it says start membership. I want to do a quick little walkthrough, if I can, of what you guys are going to be stepping into, because the whole website opens up. The Morning Brew overview is absolutely amazing. This is about to be posted here in about 10 minutes. Every morning, we show you guys the top performing coin, the worst performing coin, the two most crucial news articles for that day that you need to be watching, and the top and bottom finder, which is the most accurate indicator to call moves up. We also use this exactly for our trade calls. So if you guys are wondering why our trade calls are so successful, well, we use this. We show you guys the daily buy signals, the daily strong buy signals, the daily sell, and the daily strong sell signals for everybody with the top and bottom finder. And you guys can click right here and you can get that. But we're doing this for you guys and telling you where all the signals are at. And we're using that in our trade setups, which our trade setups are 189 wins now and 0 losses, and there's 10 active trades. You guys can literally come down here. I'll go here fast, but these are all the active trades that you can join if you would like. And we're looking to call some more out this week. And here's all the ones that we've won in the past. The original screenshot, this is where we got into the market. And then you can see this is where we won. We didn't even use a buy limit down here. And then on top of this, if you guys would like, open up this spreadsheet over here and look at our performance record that's open to the public. This is when we called out trades. This is when they closed. This is the ticker. You can view the entry and exit screenshot, the profit, how many buy limits were used, and you guys can see the performance. 84.66% of all of our trades have never even used a buy limit. This is a place, guys, we wanted to create a community where people can learn two things. And this is what I want to get in the future forecast. Two things. You can either come over here and learn how to scalp crypto, and I say this humbly, we have the highest record ever recorded for scalping cryptocurrency. And we average about 6% per trade. You can either scalp with us, you can look at all the trade calls, take them day and night, take all of those. Or you guys can follow us in the future forecast where I'm teaching you guys how to buy really low in the market. We bought $100,000 of Bitcoin. We bought $100,000 between December 20th and December 23rd in 2022. So we bought $100,000 literally right down here. It was during Christmas. So we timed the exact bottom. I've shown this to our members. We have screenshot proof. And we are looking to exit at peak prices. So you can either scalp or watch the future forecast where I'm taking this account and my goal is to make $1 million profit, and we are currently $290,000 in profit, and I do think we can hit $1 million profit this year. So that's the membership. Start your membership. Get the indicators in the description. You guys will get massive coupon codes if you become a member first, and you can use that coupon code towards the indicators. But I want to just do a little bit of a walkthrough at the end of this video today to show you guys who we are and what you guys can step into literally today and be part of a community here. I love you guys. God bless you. The links are in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video that would come out with predicting where the market is going. Links in the description, guys. I'll see you in the membership. Bye.